बिरेस्तारा वास्को पुलिशीन 19 वर्साच्या तरणाट्याक 11,500 मोलाच्या 115 ग्राम गांजा सयत अटक केल्या. वास्को पुलिशीन PSI प्रशांत भगत हांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाला आरोपीक सापळो रचून अटक केली म्हण माहिती वास्को PI नालास्को रापोंसो हांणी दिल्या. RDX खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
On the receipt of specific and reliable information, Vasco police official led by PSI Prashant Bhagat conducted a raid near TV Kunet Chowk, Vasco, and caught red-handed one Ganesh Harijan, aged 19 years, resident of Jetty, Mormongoa, who was found in illegal possession of 115 grams ganja, all worth rupees 11,500 rupees. In this connection, we have registered an offence under the provisions of NDPS Act. Further investigation is in progress. This is the 13th case of NDPS which we have booked for the current year, wherein seizure of ganja amounts to nearly 10.5 kilo, worth rupees 10.5 lakhs. Our initiative will continue to tackle the narcotic menace in this area.